Thank you for joining us. This is about the Year 11 Open Evening, and I'm going to give you some information about the course, particularly about why you should choose chemistry. And one of the reasons that you may be choosing chemistry is because you want to be a doctor, a dentist, or a vet, and therefore you kind of don't have any choice. Chemistry is something that you need to study. If you're not in that group, then some simple things to consider are, do you believe you're good at it? And you've got evidence from your GCSE results, from assessments that you've done in school, from perhaps comments that teachers might have made to you. The other thing you can consider is, do you enjoy it? Because if you don't enjoy it, then it doesn't matter what subject you study, then it's going to be really difficult. Ultimately, remember, it needs to be your choice for why you study this subject. It's no good studying it because your friends are studying it. Just choose it because it's what you want to do. So some of the things that we will cover are basically an extension of what you've done at GCSE. So you'll see some topics on here that you are familiar with from GCSE, and we look at them in a little bit more detail. As at GCSE, there are required practicals, so there are at A-level. At A-level you have 12 to complete, and these required practicals need you to be assessed. You don't have to worry about the assessment happens within lesson, and we explain very clearly beforehand what is the criteria. They're referred to as CPAC statements. There's 11 altogether. They're the same ones that you have in biology and physics. And actually, when you read them, they may seem complicated, but the first one is basically, if we give you a written set of instructions, are you able to follow those written instructions and complete the practical safely? And if you are, then you've achieved CPAC 1A. The course itself is divided into 3 sections: physical, inorganic, and organic. You will have 5 lessons per week and 2 teachers. The teachers could be Mr. Stevenson, Dr. Frost, or myself. 3 exam papers at the end of year 13. They all are 2 hours long. They vary in the number of marks that you can achieve on each paper. There are textbooks that you can collect from the Learning Resource Centre. The year 12 one covers work for year 12, whereas the year 13 one covers everything that you need to know for A-level chemistry. What is a requirement for getting onto the course? Mainly you focus on trying to get a 6 or above in whether it is GCSE chemistry or the combined, and it would be useful if you could have a 6 in maths. Please get in touch with the school if there's anything you want to ask, and thank you very much for watching.